Hello FTMO traders, we are at the World of Trading in Frankfurt in Germany. This is a huge European trading exhibition with many financial businesses, brokers and so on. So let's see how does it look like here. The World of Trading 2019 is over. It was a great exhibition of online trading, and the best part was that we met in person several of our FTMO funded traders. It was a pleasure to meet you, a pleasure to finally see you in person, and thank you for coming here and saying hi. See you next year.